In the heart of the lush African savanna, a baby elephant named Kavi was born. With big, floppy ears and a curious spirit, Kavi loved exploring the towering grasslands and splashing in the pools. One bright morning, as the sun painted the sky with shades of orange and gold, Kavi saw a flock of colorful birds flying gracefully above. Mesmerized, he stretched his tiny trunk toward the sky, trumpeting with excitement. His mother chuckled. "One day you'll go on great adventures too, little one." Determined, Kavi wandered a bit farther than usual, discovering hidden flowers, playful monkeys swinging from branches, and shimmering butterflies dancing in the sunlight. But soon he realized he was far from his herd. Just as he began to worry, a gentle breeze rustled the leaves, carrying the familiar sound of his mother's call. With a joyful trumpet, Kavi followed the sound, learning his first lesson. Adventures are thrilling, but there's nothing like the warmth of family.